guys. All right, get them out of the car. Let's go. April, come on out. April, get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Lead her at the trunk. Lead her at the trunk. Walk her back there. Get in the car. Back to one. Back to one. Back to one.
What's up? So y'all tell us where we at.
We are on the It Ain't Faking If You Got It video shoot.
That's what's up. You give me a shout out for HoodStarHipHop.com.
This is Britt Edie. I want to give a personal shout out to HoodStarHipHop.com.
Good. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Horrible at that.
Good luck. I know y'all. Dang. So where y'all from?
I am from Atlanta, Georgia.
For real? So what brought you here? How did you get to the how'd you get to the Malaj video shoot?
For the casting.
Oh, that's what's up.
Like half of these people out here didn't.
Oh, for
they
real?
Just hanging out on the sets trying to be seen.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Some of us are, you know,
actually working.
trying to get the job done and piece the hell out, but
yeah,
you know.
hey. Okay.
How long have you been out here?
I've been here since 8:30 a.m.
Dang, that's a long
and
time.
it is what time right now?
About 11.
10:49.
Wow.
I need some overtime.
That's crazy. Wow.
But I'm good. I have a smile on my face.
Okay. That's what's up. Hey, excuse me, Miss Lady, you get some water? Yeah, overworked today?
Am I what?
Overworked today?
Am I off?
Overworked today?
No. Do you see? You still on the motherfucking clock?
Wow.
Wait, you have to bleep that one. Put it on my shoes. Let me show you what we've been standing in all day.
Dang.
She's cheating because she took her. I'm cheating.
All day?
Look at this hill.
Yeah, I saw those.
That's crazy.
Those are high.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So, what brought you to the video shoot? You found out through the casting agency or whatever?
Yeah.
For real? That's what's up.
One more.
Yeah. You've been here all day. As you can see, I got a 10.
Okay.
I'm black as ever. Black as ever.
Bless you.
Ready to go home. I get black, she gets
Dang.
black as ever. But you know, it's all work.
So I hear you got an accent. You from New Orleans?
I do not have an accent. How dare you?
Oh, okay. Where you from?
I'm from up north.
Oh, okay.
North.
So you new to that?
No, not really. A little.
That's what's up.
What else? Running out of questions?
Kinda, sorta. I'm at a standstill.
Just tell us your name.
So what do you do? Are you a model? So what do you do? Like, what's your daily occupation?
My daily occupation?
Yeah.
I'm a model.
Okay, that's what's up.
I do a lot of modeling, commercial, and print.
Okay.
Working on being a young entrepreneur. But other than that, I graduated from college, West Chester University.
Wow, where is that located?
Up north.
Okay. Cool, cool.
What are you doing this for?
HoodStarHipHop.com.
HoodStarHipHop.com.
Yeah.
So if I go on HoodStarHipHop.com and see myself?
Exactly. You're gonna be a superstar.
I heard a world star.
Yeah, but I got Hood Star. You see what I'm saying? That's for the Hood Stars. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Forget the World Stars. It's all about the Hood Stars now. Hey, so you give me a shout out for HoodStarHipHop.com?
Y'all better use my footage.
Oh,
too.
definitely. We definitely gonna use it. What's up, Drew? HoodStarHipHop.com, man.
Oh, that's what it is.
College Hill in himself, man.
Yeah, Mr. BT, Mr. Playerific, aka Mr. Drew Hefner. You know what it is. Follow me on Twitter, by the way. You know, /Drew Hefner, man. Yo, MySpace, dog. 2.5 million plays. 2.5 million views, dog.
That's impressive.
Oh, thank you, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, gotta keep it grinding like that. Keep it moving.
Definitely.
Since 98.
Nah. You know, just a little something. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta keep on grinding. Yeah, you gotta keep on grinding. Keep your fan base up, all of that.
Dang, so what's going on with you? You got any labels showing interest in you?
Oh yeah, a couple of labels showing interest. You know what I'm saying? I'm just about to weigh out my options, make sure I make the right decision for myself.
That's what's up.
You know what I'm saying? Not anything to harm me, but you know, to help me.
Definitely.
To benefit me. So
definitely.
You know, that's what I'm doing. I'm out here, you know what I'm saying, showing my boys Malaj some love. You know what I'm saying? Doing it like that, man.
Okay.
But Hey man, y'all look out for y'all boy, man. You know, got a couple projects that's about to surface, man. They about to manifest. I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back now.
That's what's up.
Yeah, that's what it is, man.